this is Samantha here from Recipe This, and also the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I want to show you how simple it is to do air fryer breakfast sausage from frozen in the air fryer. You know those lovely little patties that you have at breakfast time? Well, they're ideal for the air fryer. And you can just grab a box of the frozen ones, load them into the air fryer, and they perfectly cook. Or if you're fancying a big breakfast, you can also cook them at the same time as some breakfast potatoes. It's just about personal choice and how you like to have them for breakfast. You know, so let's get making them, shall we? And we also have 450 plus more easy air fry recipes over at recipethis.com, as well as a fantastic air fryer mini course which is free, and our free air fryer newsletter. I recommend you check it out, and if you have any questions or comments, you can reach out to us or just comment on this video. So these are the sausage breakfast patties that we use. We get them from Iceland. They're the only place we know that does them, and they're rather nice in the air fryer. So you do get 6 in a pack, but we've found that only 4 properly fit in the air fryer basket. If you check out recipethis.com or in the description below, you can get our recipe in full, and that also includes cooking air fry breakfast potatoes at the same time if you want to make more of a breakfast in the air fryer together. So then place 4 of them in and add it to the air fryer. So let's do the time and temp. I recommend that you adjust the cook time and temperature so that you're doing 160 Celsius, 320 Fahrenheit, and you're doing a cook time of 12 minutes. Then we can check on it and see if it needs a little bit longer, because normally I do about 17 minutes, but I'm also doing breakfast potatoes at the same time, so there's actually less in the air fryer right now. And we've baked. So let's check on them, shall we? Wow, they smell good. The thing about these is, if you're making your own, yours might be bigger than these. And these are actually quite small, but not quite there. So I'm just going to give them 3 more minutes at 200 just to finish them off. And then they should be perfect. And we baked. Wow, and they are absolutely perfect now. And as you can see, lovely on both sides, crispy and perfect for serving with your breakfast. In the kitchen, our air fry oven is beeping with the sides that we're having for breakfast. So these are the breakfast sausage patties. I'm just going to break a bit off and see what they taste like. They're very, very nice. Just imagine cooking them in the air fryer with breakfast potatoes or some other breakfast sides, or when you fancy a late brunch. It's just ideal for something quick in the air fryer that you can obviously do from frozen. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Recipe This family. You can find us on Twitter, Facebook and Pinterest. We also have a weekly newsletter at recipethis.com/newsletter, where we share with you our latest kitchen gadget recipes, what we're cooking in the Milner kitchen, and so much more. As well as this, we recommend that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then whenever we have a new video, you will be the first to know. And if you want to know about all our future videos, then I recommend you hit the bell for instant notifications. But even better, we now have a podcast. It's called Magic with Gadgets. Simply search Magic with Gadgets on your favourite podcast player and you'll find us there.